In this video, we are going to be learning integration or the concept of antiderivative. We have learned about differentiation before, and we know the general rule of differentiation and different type of functions that we can use in calculating differentiation, which include the product rule, the chain rule, the quotient rule, the logarithmic function, exponential function, trigonometric function, amongst others. So in this video, we are going to be learning about integration under two headings. We're going to be learning about the indefinite integration and the definite integration. So integration will be discussed under these two headings, not only on this video, but in other videos to come. Now, about indefinite integral, just like differentiation, integration also has its own general principle. And I'll be writing out the standard integral formulas that we're having. You see, in integration, if you have y equals to ax raised to power n, in differentiation, if we have y equals to ax raised to power n, our dy upon the x is given as ax raised to power n minus 1. Nax raised to power n minus 1, right? That is nax raised to power n minus 1, where we increase the coefficients and we reduce the power by 1. But in integration, if you have something like dy equals to ax raised to power n, and we integrate the both sides, ax raised to power n dx, the y is given as ax raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where our c is a constant value. So in indefinite integral, because we are not definite about the value of c, we have to put c. But in definite integral, like definite integral, we are going to be seeing something different. So you see, if you have something like integral of ax raised to power n, or let me say that integral of f of x dx, you see this particular sign is the integral sign. Integral. This one is the integrand. You understand? So this is the integral sign and this is the integrand sign. You understand? This is the integrand sign, integral sign, and this that you're seeing here is the integrand. You understand? Now we now have other standard integral formula which I'll be just stating out now before we start solving question under this particular aspect of mathematics. Now remember, I said the first one that we're going to be considering is the integral of ax raised to power n dx, which is given as ax raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, right? Plus c. Also, integral of a constant number, let me say k dx, is given as kx plus c. So if you say that what is the integral of 2, your answer is 2x plus c. You understand? Like 2 dx. If you say what is the integral of 3 dx, your answer is 3x plus c. That is basically what he's trying to say here. You understand? Now let us proceed. How about integral of sine x dx? It is given as minus cos x plus c. Integral of cos x dx is given as sine x plus c. Integral of sec squared x dx is given as tan x plus c. Integral of sine ax dx is given as minus 1 over a cos ax plus c. Integral of cos ax dx is given as 1 over a sine ax plus c. Integral of exponential x is given as exponential x plus c, like exponential x dx, and integral of exponential a raised power x dx is given as 1 over a exponential a raised power x plus c. Also, integral of ln x, or integral of 1 over x rather, integral of 1 over x dx is given as ln x plus c. And we have them like that. We have a lot of them. Integral of cosec squared x, integral of cosec squared x dx, sorry, cosec squared x dx is given as tan x plus c. You understand? So these are the standard integral that we have, which we are going to be applying in the method of integration. Now, let us take for an example. Let us take our first example. Let us say that we have something like integrate 3 dx. That will be equals to what? According to standard integral. Integral of k dx, integral of k dx equals to kx plus c, which means integral of 3 dx equals to 3x plus c. You understand? That's our answer. Equals to 3x plus c. Also, if you have something like, let's say they say you should integrate x raised to power 17 dx, what will be our answer? That will be equals to what? Remember that integral of ax raised to power n equals to ax raised to power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, right? Which means in this case, integral of x raised to power 17 will give us x raised to power 17 plus 1 divided by 17 plus 1 plus c. You understand? What about if you're asked to integrate exponential minus 3x? That is going to be giving us, remember that exponential minus exponential ax give us 1 over a exponential ax, right? Which means integral of exponential minus 3 will give us minus 1 over 3 exponential minus 3x plus c. So these are simple standard integral that we can use in so like we can solve question on that. Let's take for an example. Let's say we have something like integrate 2x raised to power 5 plus 8x raised to power 3 minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 5. Everything into brackets dx. What are we going to be having? We're going to be having 2x raised to power 5 plus 1. Let me change the ink. We're going to be having 2x raised to power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1. This one is 5. Plus 8x raised to power 3 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 minus 3x raised to power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 5x. Remember that integral of k equals to kx plus c. Very, very important. So look at it now. We have 4 here. 4 here 1, 4 here 2. Right? Let me change the ink so that we'll be clear with that. 3 plus 1 equals to 4. So 4 here 1, 4 here 2. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. And this one is 6. 2 here 1, 2 here 3. Which means my answer equals to 1 over 3 x is power 6, x is power 6 plus 2x is power 4, 2x is power 4 minus x is power 3 plus 5x plus c. That's my answer for this particular question. So that is how to solve question under integral. Let us take for an example. Let us say we have a question like x is power 3 plus x is power 3 plus 2x minus 7 everything divided by x dx. Right? We have something like this. I'm going to solve this question. This question we're having a division, and what we can do in order to make this question very, very easier is to just separate each of the values, each of the variables that we have there. We can separate as integral of x is power 3 divided by x plus integral of 2x divided by x minus integral of 7 divided by x, right? So x, one of the x cancel one of the x here, this one cancel the one here, and this one has nothing to cancel, so we are going to be having integral of x to the power 2 plus integral of 2 minus integral of 7 over x. You understand? So what we can do is that, you see the 7 over x, we can bring the 7 outside and write it as what? I can write it as 7 integral of 1 over x, because 7 multiplied by 1 equals to 7. You understand? So I did not change anything. So what we're just going to do is that this one will become x to the power 3 over 3 plus integral of 2 is going to give us what? Is going to give us 2x, right? Minus 7. What is integral of 1 over x from the standard integral that we have here? From the standard integral, integral of 1 over x equals to what? Equals to ln x plus c, which means integral of 1 over x equals to ln x plus c, and that is our answer for this question. You understand? So that is how to solve question. That is how to solve problem under integral mathematics. Let us say, for an example, let us say we have under standard integral like exponential 3 exponential minus 5t plus root t dt with respect to time. We're asked to integrate this. What are we going to do? We can say that we can write our question as 3 exponential minus 5t. Remember, according to law of indices, root a equals to a raised to power 1 over 2, which means this one is going to be t raised to power 1 over 2, right? dt. So the next thing is we are going to apply our rule of standard integral, which is 3 exponential at or 3 exponential ax equals to 1 over a exponential ax, which means this one is going to become 3 multiplied by 1 over 5, or 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 5 exponential minus 5t plus t raised to power 1 over 2 plus 1 divided by 1 over 2 plus 1. So 3 multiplied by minus 1 will give us what? Will give us minus 3 over 5 exponential minus 5t plus 1 over 2 plus 1 is going to give us 3 over 2, which means that is 3 t raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. And since we have multiple division, the 2 is going to come up and we're going to be having what? We are going to be having, instead of 3 over 2, we are going to be having 2 over 3, which is 2t plus what? Plus c. Always remember to be your plus c, which means our answer is minus 3 over 5 exponential minus 5t plus 2t raised to power 3 over 2 divided by 3 plus c. That's our answer for this particular question. Let us take for an example. Let us say we have a question like integrate x raised to power 2 3x squared plus 4x dx. This one is not difficult. What are you going to do? You can multiply through by this x squared. You can open your bracket with this x squared. And we're going to be having what? You're going to be having 3x to the power 4 plus 4x to the power 3 dx. So the next thing is to what? The next thing is to have your integral, which is 3x raised to power 5 divided by 5 plus 4x raised to power 4 divided by 4, which 4 cancel 4, and we're going to be having what? We're going to be having x to the power 4 as our answer. X to the power 4 plus what? Plus c. Always remember to put your plus c. So that is how to solve question under standard integral. You understand? This is how to solve question under standard integral. Standard integral question is not more difficult than this, but we're going to be having, let us say for an example, you have a question like integrate x to the power 0.3, or let me say that x to the power minus 0.3, x to the power minus 0.3 dx. So what are you going to be having? How are you going to do this now? X to the power minus 0.3 dx. So integrate it. You're just going to be having x to the power minus 0.3 plus 1 divided by minus 0.3 plus 1. And that's going to be giving what? X to the power minus, or x to the power 0.7 divided by 0.7. But remember that 0.7 is the same thing as 7 over 10. And we don't want to have our answer in a decimal point. You understand? So that is going to be x to the power 7 over 10, x to the power 7 over 10 divided by 7 over 10. And since we have double division, so our answer is going to be 10 over 7 x is power 7 over 10 plus c for this particular question. So that is how to solve question under the basic integral. Now let us move to the concept of trigonometric function uh, in a trigonometric function in integral. You understand? Now remember that we have mentioned the standard integral for trigonometric function, like sine x is given as cos x plus c sine x dx, cos x, sorry, minus sine x plus c rather. Sine x equals to minus cos x plus c, or it is cos x plus c, yeah. It is cos x plus c. Sine x equals to minus cos x plus c, and we say that cos x equals to sine x plus c, right? Sine x plus c, and we have tan x, rather sec squared x to be equals to tan x plus c, and we have ordinary sec x, or we have cot x to be equals to cosec squared x, cosec squared x plus c, and so on and so forth, like that. You understand? Now let us take for an example. Let us say that we have to integrate a question like minus cos x plus 2x dx. So this is what we have, this question. How are we going to do it? We're just going to apply the normal rule of integral, which is what? Which is we're going to be having cos x. What is cos x? Cos x give us sin x, which means minus cos x will also give us minus sin x, which means the answer here is minus sin x plus 2x squared divided by 2. And if 2 cancel out 2, it's going to be minus sin x plus x squared plus c, and that is our answer for this particular question. What if you have something like what if you have a question like, if you have a question like integrate exponential 3x minus sec x tan x dx. This is not difficult at it. What we're going to have is that what we're going to be having exponential 3x to give us 1 over 3 exponential 3x minus sec x tan x. The integral of sec x tan x equals to sec x. So that is sec x plus c, and that is our answer for this particular question. Not difficult. Let's say we have a question like 3 integrate 3 cos 3x minus 2 sine 2x dx. How are we going to solve this particular question? We're going to be having something like, remember that cos ax equals to 1 over a sine ax, and sine ax equals to minus 1 over a cos ax, right? So we're going to be having something like that. We're just going to be having our answer to be cos ax will give us what? That is 3. We still have 3 here. Multiply by 1 over 3 sine 3x minus, right, 2 multiplied by minus 1 over 2 sine 2x plus c. 3 will cancel out 3, 2 will cancel out 2, therefore we are left with what? We are left with sine 3x minus plus, rather plus, because minus times minus will give us plus. That is plus sine, sorry, I think I made a mistake. This one is supposed to be cos, pardon me, that is cos rather, minus cos. So plus cos 2x plus c. And this is how to solve questions like this, you understand? So it is not difficult. It is not that's difficult, you understand. So this is basic integral. In the next video, we are going to be talking about other aspects of integration, like integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction, by parts, and so on and so forth. Thank you, and follow for more. Subscribe. Thank you.